this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the total WordPress theme. I'm going to show you how to download it, install it, import a demo, and make some basic changes to the theme. So first, I'm going to head over to ThemeForest where I purchased the theme and go to the Downloads page. Here I'll find Total and a download button. I want to select all files and documentation for the purpose of this example. I've already done it, so I won't click that again. Now, back in WordPress, I want to go to Appearance and Themes, and I want to click Add New, and I'll click Upload Theme. Now, here's where I can drag my zip folder for the theme. Now, when you download it from ThemeForest, you're going to get a main zip folder, and you'll have to extract that, and I've extracted mine here. So if I click through and I go to Installable Theme, I'll find the actual total theme in a zip folder, and I can just drag that over here. Alternately, I can click Choose File and it'll open up a dialog box for my File Explorer on my computer to select this. So I'll click Install Now, and it may take a short while for some of us. Once it's installed, you'll get a success message, and I can click Activate to activate this theme. And now that it's activated, I'll see a message up top letting me know that I can begin installing the plugins that came bundled with Total. If I click this, it'll take me to the Install Required Plugins screen, which is also available under Appearance and Install Plugins. Now I can install these one at a time, or by clicking the check all and bulk install them. However, because I want to import a demo, I'll skip this step and allow the demo importer to install and activate all of these bundled plugins. So to import a demo, I'm going to go to Theme Panel, which is part of Total. I'm going to click on Demo Importer, and here I'm presented with a list of all of the demos available with Total. I can sort them by type, or I can search by the name of a demo. But in this case, I just want to view all of them, and I can scroll down. I like this one called Nouveau. I can click Live Preview, which will open up in a new tab the actual demo for this. And you can see exactly what you're going to get when you import it. All the content, all the images, widgets, all the pages that come with this demo, everything. So now that I know I want this, I'm going to go back to my importer, find my demo that I want. I'll click anywhere in the thumbnail here. That'll open up a dialog box which essentially tells me I need to install each of these plugins in order for this demo to work before I can continue. So I'll go ahead and click on each one. It will install automatically and activate automatically. And once those are all installed, I'll click Next, and the next screen lets me choose which types of data I want to import in my demo. And in this case, I want to import all of them because I want my demo to look exactly like the live demo. So I'll go ahead and click Confirm Import. Now this can take a little bit of time, but it'll tell you step by step where it's at in the importing process. When that's finished, you'll get a message saying it was complete and a link to the front end of your website to view your new demo that was imported. So I'm going to click that. It'll open up a new tab, and I can see my complete Nouveau demo exactly as we saw it before on the live demo site. I have all the same content, all the same pages, all the same widgets and features. So next, let's take a look at the WordPress customizer and see what sort of settings Total provides us with to make some basic changes on our new theme. So I'm going to close this, Back in WordPress, I'll click anywhere outside of the box to close that message. Under Appearance, I'm going to go to Customize. This will launch the WordPress Customizer, which gives us a preview of the theme and all of our settings on the left that will dynamically change in the preview as we change some settings. So let's go ahead and change our logo. So I'm going to go to Header and Logo, and I want to add an image logo. So I'll click Select Image. This will open up my media library, and I have an image on my computer I'm going to use. So I'll drag that over here and click Choose Image, and that'll load my image in here, which is pretty large. So what I can do is adjust the height and click Apply Height. And what this does is it resizes, scales down a large image, but it also allows Retina devices to display a higher resolution image because the original image size was so large. So this is one way to do this. Another way would be to upload a large image, ignore this height area, and instead adjust the logo max width on desktop. I'll say 200 pixels, and that'll also change it. I can do this on tablets and phones as well. However, I wouldn't benefit from the Retina display advantage that you get from this height setting. So we've got our awesome looking logo. I'm going to go back here to the left arrow to go back, and I want to change the color of this active menu link. So I'm going to go to Menu, and I'm going to scroll down to the link color area, and we have link color current menu item, which is currently home. If I click this, I can choose another color. I'll choose red and current color, and you see that automatically changes the color here. So if I want to change other colors, for example these icons, I need to do that in my Visual Composer page builder, and that's going to be back inside WordPress. So let's save and publish our changes that we made in the customizer, and click the X to automatically go back into WordPress. And I'll go to Pages and edit the home page, and here we see Visual Composer. This is our page builder that comes bundled with Total. If I scroll down, I'll see Icon Box, which is our icon boxes with the brown icons that we saw in the front. And if I click the pencil icon, I can edit this module. I will go over to Icon and find the color, which is currently brown. Let's set that to the same red we used before, and I'll click outside of this area to enable it, and I'll click Save, and I'll do the same thing on this other icon box. Go to Icon, Color, Red, and you'll also notice other settings here. If I wanted to change the heading, which is the text underneath the icon, I can do that here. If I want to change the paragraph of text underneath that, I can do that here. I can change some other settings here. So everything you want to control on your page in terms of content can be done through the Visual Composer on the page. So I'll click Save, and then let's click Preview, and this will let us see our changes before we publish them. So here we have what we saved and published from the customizer, and if I scroll down, we've got our new icon colors. So back in the WordPress page editor, I'm going to click Update, which will save and publish the changes we just made. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you're excited to use Total and import a demo and begin making changes with the customizer and Visual Composer on your own theme.